Holy cow. No way. Let's go in here and check this spot out. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm just out riding today, checking out some different places that I ain't been. Attention hunters, you are entering San Pedro Rip, what do we call that? Riparian National Conservation Area. Keep motorized vehicles on designated parking areas, trails. Motor vehicles are not allowed on trails or washes. Talking about walk trails and washes. Take all your trash with you, pack it out, all your litter. Okay, here we go. I hear a gunshot, that means maybe I'm not supposed to be in here. Ooh, there's a nasty old mud hole. There's more of them. Look at this. Which way to go? Which way to go? I ain't gonna go in there. I don't know how deep that is. It maybe look like a little mud hole and jump in there and plumb up to the handlebars. Might be an Arizona alligator in this swamp. Where does it go? We can find out, good or bad. Butterflies going everywhere. It's going to dead end out here. I can see on the map. Or it shows on the map it dead ends anyway. It's got to be close to the river. Fence there. This is paved right here. It's asphalt for chip and seal. It was. There goes a deer. Just to getting it. Right across there. Hopefully you guys seen it on the camera. Whoa, now that's a big old stump right there. Look at that stump. That was a monster tree at one time. It's like a what? Oh, it's like a pond. What have we got? Oh, we got some palm trees down in here. Well, I don't think that goes anywhere. Don't look like it. If that's the river, it's dry right there. Like this way, look. This is really soft. It feels weird under the tires. It's not muddy. It's just like feels a little bit sandy. It don't look sandy. Probably is down here at this river bottom. What is this? Holy cow. There's a freaking pond out here. No way. Look at that. I mean, a good looking spring fed pond. Around the other side of it, I think there's a dock over there. That is a pump. With a piece of pipe on it. Right there. There's a dock. Let's walk out here and look. This is probably where the Arizona alligators are. Check this. It's burnt. It has burnt at one time. There's even a dock. There's an island in the middle and a little dock coming off the island. This was a pretty cool deal at one time. There's fish, or there's minnows. I see them. I bet you money there's fish in here. Bet you guys can't hear, but there's a big old bullfrog. That's why I went silent. I hear him. Well, this is just too cool. It's got a nice little rock walkway built up here. Look at that. It goes around like a snake across there. Something over there, maybe a barbecue pit or something. I don't know. Something that has been. Be careful, I'll be sounding like old Kamala. And it's neat because it's like a little oasis out here with palm trees around it. Very cool. This probably don't go nowhere. Not looking that way. Bunch of something. Some kind of cement things. Probably if it wasn't green, you could see where this trail goes better, or if it does. But it is green. Oh, them trees. Very cool. Check out, I've seen another trail going off of this or something over here. I don't think anything went that direction. So that's what that is. That is nasty. I mean, they got a little dock with a like swimming pool ladder coming out of it. It's plastic lined. I don't think you want to swim in there today. That hole is nasty. So they used to have a neat little place here, probably some kind of little park you could come to and enjoy, but not anymore. But it's a pretty cool little find. I don't think there was a road coming off of this direction. Boy, there's some big old giant trees they cut down out here. Yep, I don't see one. Big old cottonwood trees, and I mean, them dudes are big. They get huge. Bet you could do some fishing worm down in there. Betcha. Say it stays soft all the time. That low of a spot. Very cool. Something I wanted to find anyway. Place down to the river. And like I said, this road used to be paved. Long time ago. They allow hunting out here. I don't know what they hunt for. Could be deer. Probably deer down in here. Around this river bottom. All this grass. You know they like that. Well, it could be deer down here. I just saw one back there. And this time of year, I don't see that many deer. More in the winter, fall and winter, spring. That was a cool little spot to check out. There's them butterflies. Watch out. Oasis in Arizona. Trying to dodge all these mud holes. I ain't going through them. Back in the day, I'm sure I would have. Back when I was wild and crazy. I saw a little trail up here somewhere. Somewhere. I thought. Did I already pass it again? That's right here. Well, I don't think this is actually a trail. No, it shows birds. Bird watchers, welcome, I guess. Some kind of a plant there for like gourds, probably, or something. Well, look at that cottonwood. It's dead, but it's a big one over there. A 50-point turn here. Okay, guys, that's it for that little video. Thank you all for watching. Click the thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Right on.